All right, multiplication of two polynomials. And you've been working in polynomials, for a while, and you are thinking there's nothing more exciting than multiplication of two polynomials. You might be right, but division might be more exciting. We'll see that later on. Here we go, multiplication. When you're multiplying, and what you saw on the slide before, is I need to multiply everything in the first polynomial by everything in the second polynomial. Or in this case, it's a binomial times a trinomial. Okay? So I have to do multiply 1, multiply 2, multiply 3, multiply 4, multiply 5, and multiply 6. Okay? And what that means is in this row, because I have to do 6 multiplications, I'm going to end up with 6 terms, and then hopefully after that I can collect some like terms. But I'm going to end up in this second one with 6 terms, right? And if you think, well, how did I know that? Well, there's 2 here, 3 there. 2 times 3 gives me 6 multiplications. Or I can say, well, there's 1, 2, 3 red lines, 4, 5, 6 red lines for 6 multiplications. So here we go. X squared times x squared is x to the 4th. Remember, when you're multiplying, you're adding the exponents in that case. Multiplying 2 variables, add the exponents. X squared times 5x, and it's a positive 1 and a positive 5, so it's 5x. It's cubed because I have x squared and x, that would be x to the 1, and 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay? And then I have x squared times negative 7, so that's going to be negative 7x squared. See, to multiply, you don't need any like terms. Anything can be multiplied in polynomials, right? You say, well, that's an x squared, that's a 7. I just jam them together and call it 7x squared, right? It's really just still a multiplication there. Then I go on. Minus 2, be careful of the sign. Now I'm always multiplying by negative 2, not just by 2. Sign's important. Negative 2 times x squared is negative 2x squared. Negative 2 times positive 5x, right? That's negative 10x. And negative 2 times negative 7 is plus 14. Right? And as promised, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms. Now we can look to collect like terms. Well, let's see what we have. X to the 4th, no, that's it. X to the 4th. Any other cubes? No. 5x cubed. Any other squareds? Yes. There we go. We have like terms right here and right here. So minus 7, sign's important. Minus 7x squared minus 2x squared is minus 9x squared. Right? Any more x's? No. Minus 10x and the numbers by itself. That was not very satisfying. I mean, of all those things, we only got to combine those two like terms, nothing else. But unfortunately, satisfying or not, that's what we're left with. We're left with an answer of 5 terms. When we multiply it out, we're left with an answer with 5 terms. I hope that makes sense.